Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you my new Canon, the 90D. This is the packet. This is the 90D. I will open it for you to see. I bought just the body. I'm planning to buy a lens, but I don't know what to choose for now. I have to take my time, do my research to see what will be good for me and what will fit my budget. So let's get started. This is the Canon. It came with the booklet. Let me put it to the side. It's the booklet. Everything is still in the plastic paper. I'll open it later to read all the instructions. And this is the battery charger. I think you have to place the battery on this piece to charge. This is one of the cable. This cable is to connect with the battery charger to do the charging. It will look like this if you connect the cable inside. And this is the strap. If you want to carry the camera on your body as a crossbody, you have to attach this strap. I will not open it now, I will just put it aside. Then let's go to the camera itself. Oh, okay, this is the battery. It's really heavy. It came like this with this part closed. I think it's to protect the battery. Let me put it aside. And now this is the camera. This is it. It's really heavy. I had the Canon 1300D. This one is the 90D with a screen. You can flip this screen from, this is the screen. You can flip it inside and back. I don't think, okay, you can turn it like this and close it. So this close. You can take it off and flip it in front. If you are filming, I've never used such camera in my life. I will be trying this one. I don't even know what to do. I don't know where to start with this camera. I bought this camera for me to do my video and to do some photography, but I don't even know where to start because I don't know anything about technique. But I'm sure as I'm now on YouTube, I will do my research. I will look some videos to see how to operate this camera. I bought just the body because I never wanted to buy the camera with the lens. I want to buy a lens that will fit in this camera. It's not supposed to be from Canon. I just want to buy something that is budget friendly and that will also give me a good photography, give me good pictures when I'm taking pictures and for filming too. That's why I decided to buy the body, so that I can always update the lens whenever I want to, or when I have the budget to do so. This is a very quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you the camera. It is something new that I bought. When I will buy a lens, I'll try this camera, and maybe in the coming weeks and months and maybe years, you guys will see some of the film that I'll be making with this camera and some of the photos. So that's it. It's very short and quick. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new, please consider to subscribe, promote your Get to Grow, support, and I will see you in my next one.